Hello, today's episode from the mountains, and this is gonna be the last episode of this year. So that's why during my hike I will wish you something, and we will wish something to myself. But basically my plan is to go to the Lahangan Suite. I drove up here, I left the motorbike, and I have to hike a little bit up, and then it will be a little bit downhill and then up again. Anyways, beautiful trail. I reached first summit. The next one is that one. Hiking Agung is easier because the temperature is lower and the humidity is lower as well. Hiking here, around here, it's a lot of pressure on your muscles and heart, just because there is so humid and hot, and that's why it's like a kind of not enough oxygen for your muscles to work, so that's why heart starts pumping faster, you start breathing faster, hiking into the sauna-like conditions. It's been pretty rough year, and I'm pretty sure I said it already last year, December, when I was talking to you before the new year. But same time it's been a really interesting year. The first year, like 2020, was rough just because we were living in a hope, in a big hope, and we were still hoping that everything will be open and we will start living normal lives again. 2021 came already with less of the hope, just simply because all this opening of the borders being postponed so many times. So that's why 2022 was simply concentration on something we have. So that's why 2021 was already like, okay, this is a situation, and now we are working on something we have. And thank you to everyone who's been part of this 2021 and saved us financially, so we were able to pay the salaries and survive and pay the bills, but also to those who've been kind of motivators for us, who didn't give up on us, who've been watching this channel and always sending the best wishes and greetings and trying to somehow mentally support us. And when I'm looking at 2022, I clearly understand that we're doing okay. We're doing really okay, and with that what we have, we are able to survive. And if we will, and when the borders will be open, it will be kind of bonus for all of us. I don't know, we already learned how to live with this little and throw out all these unneeded moments and things, and focus on something which is primary, which is really important now. Of course, I miss this crowd of the full dive center with many people around you, some people coming, some people going. That's something we miss, of course. And so I reached the next summit. That's my surroundings. For you, I wish you have this ability to travel again. I'm pretty sure I was wishing it last year as well, but if I'm wishing it second year in a row, then I think it's pretty important. I wish we can meet, I'm pretty sure, again. I wished it already last year, but that's something we're missing, all of us we are missing. I wish we are financially stronger and I can realize all these projects what I'm thinking about and what I've been talking about in my previous episodes, so we can travel. Otherwise, another year will be episodes about mountains and diving the same sites and doing the same things. But that's what will happen, just simply because we cannot afford to travel a little bit more and show you something different. Anyways, this year been giving us a chance to travel around the Bali. We had the time, we had the chance, we had the possibility to visit those places which been previously been really popular and now they are kind of abandoned. And to show you all this beauty what we can see here. Sian! Permisi.
Iya.
Selamat siang.
Ya, selamat siang.
Sian!
Halo.
Apa kabar? Clouds don't want to go. Oh, they made a grill now here. Oh, that's great. There's a grill now. Previously we brought our own. That's how it looks like now around. All right, time to go back down and pick up my motorbike. And that means that next time when I will see you, that will be next year. Before the new year I have something to do and we're gonna celebrate our new year in Chandidasa with Tonya and Laura. Only 3 of us. I'm happy about that. I don't like big crowds and a little bit of Agung as well. Yeah, this year I did 6.5 times of Agung hike, and this is the first year I did so many of them, and I hope next year I will do a little bit more. Maybe in January I will do the first one. That will be that long one for the 3 days of East Peak, where I'm gonna stay on a summit for at least 1 night or maybe 2 nights. We'll see, maybe 1 night. is enough. Yeah. Chill. Look what I found. That means durian season, another durian season is coming. Alcohol and family solves all the problems of the life. Happy New Year, be healthy, wealthy. Like we say here in Bali, positive vibes to you. I wish you to success in everything you're planning, and maybe not planning, but just simply something comes up and happens what you even didn't believe will ever happen. I found the Javanese plum tree jewet. There's an episode about that, how I was picking up them last year. A lot of them are damaged by some birds. Some are still good. That's it for this year. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you next year. Bye.